Hello everyone, I'm your host Gulfam. Hello everyone, I'm Gulfam Hussain and you are watching ROCFT Institute. Hello everyone, I'm Gulfam. Hello everyone, I'm Gulfam Hussain and um, I'm forgetting everything. Hello everyone, I'm Gulfam Hussain. Welcome to the channel ROCFT Institute, and today we are doing triangles. We are going to learn about congruency of triangles, what are some properties of triangles, what is congruency basically, and we will learn all of this in detail in today's video. So if you are interested, watch till the end of. Okay, so triangles. What are basically triangles? We all know a triangle is a closed three-sided figure which has three vertices. These are the vertices. Three sides, side 1, side 2, side 3, and three angles. Suppose this is X, this is Y, and this is Z. So what is a triangle? A triangle is a three-sided closed figure with three vertices and three angles. Oh, yep, three angles. So this is the definition of a triangle. Now in today's video, what we are doing is we are going to learn about congruency of triangles. Okay, so you might have known about this fact that suppose if I have a A4 sheet paper and if I have another A4 sheet paper, if you put both the papers on the top of one another, what do you see? You see that one paper, the paper that's at the back side is hiding behind the front one if you place it in the right manner. So we say that those two papers are identical. Now this term identical, we say in triangles, when we see that two triangles are same or identical, we say that those two triangles are congruent. Suppose if I draw a triangle and I'm drawing another triangle, okay, definitely these are not looking like triangles. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E and F. This angle is equals to this angle equals to this angle is equals to this angle, this side equals to this side equals to this side, and this side is equals to this side. Now these two triangles, although they look a little bit different, but suppose if we have these two triangles and they are just similar, they're identical triangles. When we have identical triangles, we'll say that these two triangles are congruent. What is the meaning of congruent? It simply means identical. Means if you put this triangle on the top of this one, the back triangle, this DEF, will totally be hidden. Means you will not be able to see D, E and F. We see these common examples in our daily life too. Suppose you have a friend and he is the same height as yours and also the same width. So if you stand behind that friend, what you find? You are unable to see something that is going on in front. So you are totally hidden behind him. So we say that you both are identical, or in mathematical terms for the case of triangles, we say you both are congruent. So just in the case of triangles too, we also say that these two triangles are congruent. How do we write that? We write triangle D. So we write triangle DEF is congruent to triangle ABC. Now pay attention over here. This is the, okay? So do not write equals to sign and leave it over there. You have to give this slight wave like thing over these equal signs. Otherwise, these are not going to be congruent triangles at all. So now tell me, when these two triangles are congruent, suppose if I tell you that these two triangles are congruent, what can you say? You can say that AB is equals to DE, EF is equals to BC, DF is equals to AC. Also you can say angle E equals to angle B, angle D equals to angle A, angle F equals to angle C. What do we know by this? So what am I trying to tell? So what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say is that if I say that these two triangles are congruent, you can by yourself find out that the corresponding angles and the corresponding sides will also be equal. Yes. So write it down. So if the triangles are congruent, if congruent, not CONG, write the full form, congruent, then what? If they're congruent, then all corresponding sides and angles are equal. So if they are congruent, write it down. If they are congruent, all corresponding sides and angles are also congruent. Now, there are not just one type of congruency. In your book, you might be asked to prove congruency, and there are various types to prove congruency. There is SSS congruency rule, there is ASA congruency rule, there is SAS congruency rule. So we are going to learn about that in detail. SSS, ASA, SAS, all of these are side, angle, or side, angle, side. There is also angle. So we are going to learn about them. They are basically simple. So basically there are 5 types of congruency: SAS, side, angle, side; ASA, angle, side, angle; SSS, side, AAA, angle, and RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, side. Okay, so these are the basic 5 congruency rules. Means you can prove by these. If you get side, angle, side equal for both triangles, then you can say that those two triangles are congruent, and the rule under which the congruency is proved is side, angle, side congruency rule. Now with the help of an example, I am going to show you, or actually explain you, how these rules are there. So let's take an example of this one. So you have two triangles, ABC and DEF. In both these triangles, you've been given that AB is equals to DE, angle B is equals to angle E. These two are given, and this angle C is equals to angle F, which is 40 degree both. So what am I going to write is, I'm going to write that, first of all I'm going to write in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle ABC equals to angle DEF. I'm going to give the reason given. It will be given in the book. Now, in this chapter, or in the chapter that you are going to read, chapter 8 or in chapter 6, these chapters, the reasoning is very important. If you miss the reasoning, you are losing a lot of marks. Reasoning carries 50% of marks in your question paper. So if you do not, I mean not the question paper, but actually your question. So if you are missing your reasoning, then you are losing your 50% of marks of the question, not the question paper. Suppose this is 4 marks and you have not given any reason. So you might get 2, but 2 marks will be deducted. That's for sure. Now, so ABC is equals to angle DEF, which is given. AB is equals to DE. This is also given. Now, angle B equals to angle F equals to 40 degree, again given. So I will write, therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So this is how you prove congruency. Understood? So in this whole thing, and the reason that you are going to write is angle side angle, ASA congruency, angle side angle. So this congruency. In the same manner, side angle side congruency. In the same manner, side 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 and angle 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 congruency. Now this is a bit different. This is right angle hypotenuse side. How do we prove this one? Let us take another example. Okay, so here we have another example. Sorry for that congested space, but I had to do this because I am pretty much restricted with the space. So over here we have two triangles which looks kind of similar. If it doesn't look similar, just consider them looking similar and equal. Okay, I just manage it somehow. Okay, leave that thing. So here we have two triangles. Both those triangles are right angle triangles, means one angle is right angle. Now, so one angle is always for both the triangles is right angle. So I can say right angle is equals to right angle. So I can say angle ABC is equals to angle DEF equals to 90 degree. Why? Given. Reason is given. Now I can say that AB, means this side, AB is equals to DE. AB equals to DE, and we have AC equals to DF. So here you can see this. Now just pay a little attention over here. DF and AC are both hypotenuse of triangle ABC and DEF respectively. Now AB and DE is the perpendicular or the common side of a triangle. 90 degree is already been there, so both are 90 degree. Hypotenuse is also equal and one side is equal. So when you have a hypotenuse, a 90 degree, and one side of both the triangles equal, we call it RHS congruence rule. Means both these triangles are proved, they are congruent. Under what congruence rule? RHS congruency. So triangle A, B, C, it's C, na? C is congruent to triangle D, E, F. Reason is RHS. Now I guess you've got the idea. Okay, so this is what it is, RHS congruency rule, and I think you have gotten clear idea of all of this that's going on. Now we have another term that is being used a lot in this chapter, and that is CPCT term. We used to call it CPCTC in our time when we were at your age. Now it's CPCT. So CPCT or CPCTC basically means corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, which means they are equal. So for example, suppose this is the triangle that I have, and I have not been given that this angle or this side, not angle, side is equal. Okay, so I have not been given that this side is equal. I have just been told that this side is equals to this side, means AB equals to DE and B is equals to E, which is 90 degree. I have not been given that AC equals to DE. So, and I have also been given that ABC is congruent to DEF. So when I say that a triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, then AC will also be equals to DF. Why? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle are congruent. Okay, keep that in mind. So if don't ask a question why it is CPCT, why it's not CPCTC, just write whatever you will do. If you want to write CPCT, you write CPCT. If you want to write CPCTC, you write CPCTC. Or even then, if you have confusion, go and ask your teacher that if he will deduct some marks on that, because I don't think he will. This is just baseless. You must write CPCTC or CPCT. That's not a question for debate. The question for debate might be, what are these? What is RHS? What is AAA? What are the congruency rules? And all of that. So if you want to ask proper question, ask a proper question. Okay, so this was just an explanation of the whole chapter in short. If you want videos on the exercises, then they will also be soon uploaded on the channel. So stay tuned and do subscribe the channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell icon. Till then, have a nice day and goodbye.